Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Reggie, and today I'm going to talk to you about what I took to stop my hair fall from happening and to make my new hairs grow back. If you remember, I think couple of videos back, I mentioned that my hair was literally falling, and when I'd go like this, hair was coming out and it was disastrous. Since then, I have been asked many a times, what is it that you've done to stop it, and is your hair better? So I'm going to discuss all of that stuff with you now. First of all, before I get back into telling you guys about hair stuff and discussing all of this stuff, please hit the subscribe button and the bell button next to it, so then you'll keep up with all of my videos that will be coming your way. And also, I post on Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays and Sundays, so 4 days a week I am posting videos, and it's going to be a mixture of content. So if you've not subscribed already, please subscribe and hit the bell button. So a little recap about how my hair was. My hair was disastrous. For some reason my hair just started falling and shedding like anything last year in January, and what happened was the year before that the same thing happened, and I had no idea why it was happening. It was just so upsetting and so stressful. I had no idea what was going on. So when it happened the second time, which was last year, January, I decided I wanted to research and see what was what. I wasn't feeling stressed. I wasn't feeling as if like I've got so much going on in my life, even though I did have a lot of stuff going on in my life, but I on the surface didn't feel it, right? So when I did a little bit of research, they said things like stress caused it, thyroid issues caused it, if you're lacking iron, if you're lacking vitamin D, if you've got a sudden work change, if you've got a sudden diet change, if there's traumatic events that's happened. The list went on and on and on. So here's what I did. I went for a blood test. I already knew about iron and I already knew about vitamin D. Here's the other thing. When I started to search, biotin came up, but when I started to search biotin tablets, the reviews weren't all that. A lot of people were getting a lot more hair fall with that, or they were getting an opposite effect and the skin was getting a lot of breakouts. And you guys know I have breakouts. I don't want more breakouts. So here's what I did. I went for a blood test. I checked everything. They did mention vitamin D, so I thought, okay. I then had my thyroids checked. Thyroids on point, good, and I was good to go on that side. So them two things were cleared. The next thing I did was anything that was stressing me out, I would write about it. I have got a video here and I'll link it below. I'll put it up as the cards as well. Click on it so you can watch it after this video. But writing about your emotions and letting your emotions out really helps. It helps you to get all that out of your body, so you're getting the stress out of your body, which then means your body's not under attack. When your body's under attack with stress, you either get breakouts, back pains, hair loss, the list goes on and on and on and on. Your body basically goes under attack and it thinks, how can I protect my human being? And the way it protects the human being is by giving you those problems. So I started to write about it and write about it and write about it and get rid of all of my things. And to be honest, like even till this day, if someone really annoys me, I write it and I let it out of my system. The next thing I did was I took these 4 supplements. If you follow me on Instagram, I've already done this video and I mentioned it already, which has helped so many of you. But you guys who follow me here and who's left me messages here, well, the odd comments here, how's your hair now? I'm sharing this with you guys. My hair, just an update on my hair before I tell you about the tablets, the supplements. My hair, touch wood, is good. I recently actually dyed it. I went over with bleach on my hair, and well, yeah, it is bleach technically, so I went over with that, left it on for about 15 minutes, washed it off, went over with another hair dye, and this is my current color, and first time ever, I got compliments by my husband on this hair colour, which is a win-win. And normally I tend to go a bit lighter this time because I bleached it and I put on the medium brown. It's given me nice different tones. You probably won't be able to tell in this video, or you might be able to. You'll be able to tell better when I'm filming in front of the natural light rather than this light and them two lights behind me. These tablets, what I did was I took one every single day. Every single day for 4 months. I still take them, by the way, okay? These I still take, but after 4 months I noticed that my hair stopped falling, my hair stopped shedding, my hair was feeling thicker. The thickness that I've got now, I had none of that when my hair was falling. My hair was feeling so thin, and when I did a ponytail, so when I put my hair up, you could tell it was horrible. And round here, like, I didn't actually realize I've actually got a beauty spot somewhere around here. Oh, is that it? I don't know, but I've got a beauty spot somewhere around here, and I had no idea until my hair started falling. And then when I saw that, I was like, my hair's under a lot of stress. So all of these tablets, I took one a day, okay, one time daily. One of these tablets though, so this one right here, this is Ferrous Sulphate, which is your iron. This I started to take 1 month on, 1 month off, 1 month on, 1 month off. So the first month I had it, the second month I didn't. So all your even numbers, you have it, and all of the odd numbers, you have it, and all of the even numbers, you do not have it. So the first month have it, second month don't, third month have it, fourth month don't. The reason why is because the strength of this is enough and you don't need that much, okay? The strength is 200 milligrams. So this was all of the odd numbers, I had it, and all of the even numbers I didn't. The next thing is my B Complex B12. This is again, I thought this had a mix of something else with it, but it's not. It's B Complex and B12. This again, every single day, okay? It's only this one that's 1 month on, 1 month off. The next one is Zinc. This Zinc has copper, so zinc mixed with copper. And then the last one was my vitamin D3. Now don't look at this package because this package was ordered by accident, but I just wanted to have a vitamin D package here to show you that this is what I was taking. This one is a high strength. What you want is the one that you can get you know, at the pharmacy, in Boots, in Tesco's. That is fine. Vitamin D3, that is good, okay? This one I ordered by accident, which is a higher dosage, which I did not even realize at the time when I ordered. So, and then when it came, I was like, I can't take this one because I don't want to take a higher strength. I was fine with what I was taking. If you do take a higher strength though, like this, which is 4,000 IU, you need to check with your GP first. That's what I'm saying. Any that's, you know, in Boots, Tesco's, in any place where you can get supplements from, right? They are fine. Any higher dosage, you have to check with your GP. They are available to buy online, but it's always best to check with them first if you need that amount of dosage. If you don't, then just take the normal one, right? Like I said, this one I ordered by accident. But vitamin D3, again, it's the vitamin that, so vitamin D3 absorbs in the body much better than normal vitamin D. And if you live in a country where you're blessed to get the heat of the sun, go outside with no shoes on, stand on the grass, and that is another natural way to absorb your vitamin D. And here we have it. This is what I took, and again, like I said, after 4 months I noticed a huge difference. And the good thing is as well, if you do have any sort of breakouts, this little, you know, package going on right now, this what I just showed you, will help you with your skin as well. I noticed that when I started taking it, my breakouts became less and there wasn't as sore, basically. They weren't as sore and painful as I'd normally get them, which is really good. So this is what I did. I hope it has helped you guys. I do have well, I don't have any place where I'm thinking, oh my god, I really need to grow hairs. Like, after the effects of what had happened with my hair loss. But what I've noticed is, and I've had this since I've been like a little kid, and it's in all of my videos, I blame it on my mum when she used to tie my hair up when I was a little girl. She probably pull that comb through my hair. I know a lot of us can relate to that. And in return, I've got like this really thin, like I'm growing like a little fringe here, and this is all thanks to taking these supplements as well as using our Hair Beast hair oil. But what I'd want to do is try and grow hairs here, right? But I keep on saying but because there's so many buts. I've always struggled to do it just because this area, when I do get stressed, I scratch this area. So I got these products and I'm going to see how these work, and I'm going to show you guys in another video. I personally have my own little method when it comes to, you know, you've got to hide a little patch or two when it comes to a wedding. I've got my own little technique that I do. It's nothing fancy, and I'll share that with you guys in another video. But I thought I'd get these and see what these are like. I've never used them before. I've seen other people use them. So I'm going to see what it's like. The other thing that I would recommend is do not use any oils on your hair or any product on your hair apart from shampoo when your hair is falling. Because with me, because my roots, like the follicles were just so weak, every time I go in like this and like this, I literally had hairs around my fingers. So even shampooing my hair was really bad. So I'd shampoo my hair maybe once a week or once every 2 weeks, and it didn't really help because my hair, like everybody, gets greasy, right? Touch wood, thank God. My hair does not get greasy really quick. After about 4 days then it gets greasy. It's not one to get greasy like that, right? So once a week or once every 2 weeks I would wash my hair. I avoided anything to massage on my scalp, and I only did this, what I've mentioned to you. And this is how I stopped my hair fall and all of that palaver that was going on, all of that bad stuff, because it's not nice when you go through it. And this is what I did. Again, always check though with your blood, check for blood tests, check your vitamins, your mineral levels, because a lot of the times when we don't eat good and if you're lacking something, that's when these things can happen, okay? Anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button, and I will see you guys in my next one. If you've got any questions about what I've spoken about today, leave them down below, because I might have missed something. I don't know, like you might feel like she didn't talk about this. So just leave it down below, and I will be more than happy to reply and answer back, and I'll see you guys in my next video.